thrust, okay? I use the passing step, okay? From here I move passing step backwards. And then, but from this I also move sideways, okay? So let's work with that, because imagine that you are in the center of a circle now, okay? Probably, I don't know if you know that we use basically 3 circles to define space in the lower half. We have the small circle, which is the one I define with the movements of my feet. Then you have the common circle, is the one that is binding us, and this is done by measuring the saw with the point, between the handle and the pommel. And then you have the big circle, is the one I like more, okay, because it helps you to know, it tells you where you are in space. So you are in the perimeter and I am in the center of the circle. So if you move, for example, helping for me. Now, if you move towards that side, okay, I do this. You move towards that side, I do this. That is why we don't move in circles. That is a silly thing, because it's always, you cannot be faster on the perimeter than me in the center. So it's absurd. So I don't move in circles. I just use the angles. So you move that way, and I can come here, I can come here, I can come here, and then so I'm changing in angles, and I'm opening and closing angles. Okay, I don't walk.
Just to clarify, when you say angles, angles between what?
The angles are the crossing of the blades. Now I'll show you, but the crossing of the blades define 4 angles. It's like this, you have one here, 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 and here. And then this we call the open angles or closed angles. Normally there is always a primary angle, which is the one you thrust better, and then a secondary angle. You must cover first the primary and then use the secondary, more or less knowing that it could go that way by disengaging, hitting the blade. So this will help you when you understand the movements to foresee the next movement. This is, this is theoretical, because in the practical thing, then the guy is very fast and everything falls. So in the end, it's in the art. A lot of things, it's how good you are. Okay, but you must understand that in the old days, they tried to say that this was a science, so it should work always, but should always work when you are good. If you are not that good, it doesn't really work. So